Morning everyone. Today we'll see the topic of CAD systems. CAD systems are of two types: CAD hardware and CAD software. Okay. So what is CAD hardware? Already we have learned all these classes before classes. What is CAD hardware? So once again I will touch this topic, CAD hardware topic briefly. See, CAD hardware design workstations examples: workstation, digital computer and printers, and various secondary storage devices. All these come under hardware devices, means which we can see those are called hardware devices. Next, software, CAD softwares. So there are different CAD softwares in our daily life. We are using those software also. Now we see types of CAD softwares. So first one, what is it? 2D wireframe modeling CAD software. Next, 3D wireframe modeling CAD system, 2D surface modeling CAD system, 3D surface modeling CAD system. So these are all 2D, AutoCAD 2D version and 3D. Okay. Next, solid modeling. Here 2D and 3D we see only line diagrams, means only the outside surfaces we can see, whereas in solid modeling CAD system, construction solid geometry, boundary representation, hybrid CAD system, these all are 3D objects. Okay, so now we go to, so for doing design work in nowadays we are using AutoCAD and this 3D modeling. Based on 3D modeling we got softwares, other software like solid modeling, ANSYS, ProE, all these different types of CAD systems we got it. So these are the design we can draw in 2D drawing and 3D drawing, both we can draw 2D drawing and 3D drawing. 2D drawing only XY direction it will be, whereas in 3D drawing both XYZ directions we can see. Now we will come to what is AutoCAD, where is it is used. So what is AutoCAD, first we'll see. Okay, so AutoCAD is a computer aided design and drafting software. So this we have already studied. It is a computer aided design and drafting software developed and marked by Autodesk. It is developed by Autodesk. Okay, what is CAD softwares? So these users also there. First one we say AutoCAD modeling contains data like materials, properties, dimension, tolerances, and manufacturing process. So AutoCAD is used for data like line, like materials, properties like dimensions. So we can give dimensions, tolerances, and manufacturing. After giving all these things we can send to manufacturing side also. So these AutoCAD are used by like engineering people, like mechanical engineers will use, civil engineers will use, and architecture engineers will also use these AutoCAD software for modeling containing data like dimensions, tolerances, all those things. Okay. So here what they have given, these are programs and packages for design, drawing and analysis. So AutoCAD software is for designing, drawing and analysis. Analyze means we can analyze how strong it is, how strength it is given, that also we can analyze with some softwares. Okay, CAD software packages. Now we see what are the software packages: Solid Edge, MicroStation, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Adobe CATIA, Pro Engineering, Analysis, ANSYS, Ideas, NISA, Unigraphics, development of Autodesk, drafting softwares. So many softwares are there like this, but Mainly we are this AutoCAD 2D and AutoCAD 3D are there for learning stages. Only for learning stages. If we get AutoCAD, then we can see other program easily. Okay. So basic is for AutoCAD only to learn AutoCAD. If we get AutoCAD, we can learn other softwares very easily. So what is AutoCAD 2D? 2D, how it is useful, we'll see now. 2D relatives and on basic geometric shapes. So by 2D we can draw geometric shapes like lines, rectangles, circles, etc. Produce flat drawings. So it produces flat drawings. We can draw like small things like line, rectangle, circles, polylines, all different types of lines, all different types of circles. We can draw in flat drawing. AutoCAD disk is developed with this AutoCAD only. Okay. Next, 3D CAD. We'll see what is 3D CAD. 3D CAD allows creating of 3D images. So it creates the images of 3D that are realistic. So we can see three angles. In three angles, we can see that one. So these images are called 3D modeling, as they can be viewed and rotate in any direction x, y, z. So we can rotate in three direction these 3D drawings and see its different three direction shapes. Okay. One more thing, in producing designs of 3D, a few of the today lead to 3D CAD softwares includes Solid Edges, SolidWorks, and Unigraphics. Based on these 3D drawings, these softwares were developed like Solid Edge, SolidWorks, and Unigraphics. These are 3D modelings. So many softwares like CATIA is there, ANSYS is there. The CATIA is also based on 3D modeling, whereas in ANSYS it analyzes. So we can analyze like strength of the beam, stress of the beam by ANSYS program. Writing the program by program, giving length, height, what is the stress we have used. By loading this in software, we can get the how much stress it is, how much strain in that beam, like that we can find out. So like this, with each software has its own role in its. Okay. Next, features of AutoCAD, we'll see now. What are the features of AutoCAD? Next, features of AutoCAD. These are the different types of features we are having. See, first one here, what is the features of AutoCAD? Layering facilities, drawing, editing, and modeling. So in this we can, if we after drawing in this AutoCAD, we can edit also. If we want any changes in length or breadth, we can we can edit by edit options. Okay. Next, limits facilities means in A4 size to that is 94 by 270, like that. If you set the limits in software, 2D software, so it take in that a region only, it won't go outside that region. Our diagram won't go. If it goes means we can't see us. So we'll set the limits so that in say in given region only we can draw the diagrams. Automatic scaling will be there. Automatic scaling is fixed in AutoCAD. Next, arc, redraw, zoom, etc. All these commands are there in AutoCAD. Redraw means again drawing same picture. Arc means circle, arcs. All these are commands. Zoom means small, making small and big, like that. Zoom command is there. Next, laying facilities, drawing, editing options, complex drawing by assembling. Complex drawing also we can draw by AutoCAD. Okay. Complex drawings. Features of AutoCAD, again 2D wireframe, 2D surface, 3D solid modeling. All these are. So 2D drawings are the 3D drawings are like that. 2D wireframe is also there. 2D wireframe, 2D surfaces, and 3D solid modeling. So in this AutoCAD software offers qualities of design. So this AutoCAD is designed for quality. So it is a good, we can get a good quality of design by this. Next, AutoCAD software helps the designer to check if the design is within the specification or not. So within the specification or not means by dimensions, we can check the specification in the drawing only. It enables the client to view the design on earlier stages. So that is drawing is the first stage. So in first stage only we can check our what is specification, clearance, all those things, check and edit them if we want any editing. Okay, like that this AutoCAD will help. It can be more accurate than hand drawing. Hand designing means we will by hand design, it may be by pencil. If we draw, the thickness will be changing its dimensions by the thickness, whereas in AutoCAD it won't be like that. It will be accurate than hand drawing. It reduce the human errors. So in human errors we can reduce by AutoCAD. You can save and edit the ideas, and it makes it easier and cheaper to modify. Okay, so the ideas we can get more and make it easier and cheaper to modify our designs. Like that these AutoCAD softwares are used in our daily life. Next to importance, what are the importance of AutoCAD? So it has many rows of importance in AutoCAD. So what are the importance we see? Can run on a simple PC microcomputer. Yes, we can run if we have a system, we can do the AutoCAD on that. User friendly software. Yes, if we go any wrong also, we can do editing also in this. Require less secondary memory. Memory is also less. Next, geometrical dimensions changes can be done fast. Any changes if we want, if the figure what we had drawn is any mistake or any changes we want to do, we can reduce them at while doing at that time only. Library of standard components. So in that command, in that software, we have also library to study after this what to do next where we should do. We have that library in that also. Accurate and fast production on drawing. So it has a fast drawing. We can accurate means in very correct accuracy we'll get with this. So importance of to produce so to produce 2D and 3D designs, high creativity levels are there. Okay. These will be using by civil engineering, architecture designs, and well as mechanical engineering. So all these will be using this importance of AutoCAD to draw the designs or designs in this software. It improves productivity levels. This also improves productivity levels. So these way these softwares are useful in our daily lives. So what are the different types of softwares? Many are there. What are the CATIA, ANSYS, ProGCAD? Many we have learned. All these are different types of 2D drawing, 3D solid modeling. Next, hybrid CAD. All these are CAD different CAD softwares. Next, features are there. We can edit them. We can draw again. We can lay out. We can give limits and boundaries and set the picture in that given area only. After that, we can edit or give shapes in 3D or 2D. We can do any we want. We can reduce that one and redraw again. We can zoom the picture. We can make enlarge all those things. So AutoCAD is developed by Autodesk. So after that, Autodesk has come. With that, other softwares have improved. Like this, AutoCAD is very important in software. It is a freely learning software. If we get AutoCAD, we can do other software also. Easily we can learn. So by this software's AutoCAD we have finished. In next class, we'll see other things. Okay. Thank you.